Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? This is gonna be a video on how to remove a skin tag with the Dr. Scholls skin tag remover. The first thing you're gonna do is just gonna get this out of your package. It's gonna come like that. It's also gonna come with some applicators along with a little thing that you put on top. So you're gonna put the applicator inside the hole. You're gonna put it over and then you're gonna press down. How many seconds is it? 5 seconds. All right, now you're gonna let it rest for 15 seconds. You're gonna let it chill there. You're gonna get yourself ready. You're gonna have tweezers that came along with it also. And with the tweezers, you're gonna pull on it and on the stalk. So imagine, your root is where your armpit's at. The stalk is the long part of the skin tag. You're gonna be grabbing it by the head and sticking it on the stalk and basically rubbing in different places every 5, 6, 7 seconds for a total of 40 seconds. And you gotta make sure that you hit all sides of the stalk. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this going. As you can see, I have one there. So she's gonna pull on it. And then move the applicator around the skin tag. And the skin tag is not supposed to fall off right away. It may, but it's said to give it a week. And if it hasn't fallen off by then, to apply one more time another coat of it. So that's pretty cold. I can feel a little bit of pain. It stings. And I don't even feel the part where she's pulling on it. I more feel just the pain of almost burning on the stalk. I can compare it almost just like maybe burning your thumb with a lighter or something like that real quick, but not like as hardcore where it leaves like a burn. We already did 2 other ones underneath my armpit, and this is gonna be the last one. The other 2, I'm in pain almost like after having a tattoo, kind of like that pain with like a needle or something. So I'm sure it's going to be kind of painful. So I'm going to let this one do its thing. As you can see, it's completely frozen. It's supposed to burn and come off at some point. We're going to give it a full week. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to try not to, wash under there too hardcore, just try to take care of it a little. Here are the other 2. As you can see, there's one right there. Some of it looks like it did come off. Some of it's still on. But it's almost like just like a wound feeling. It's a little sore, but it's not too uncomfortable. And I feel like it's better than going to the dermatologist and having them burnt off. That's pretty painful. So again, just another look at the 3. I'll do a follow-up video on the after a week and see how it's working. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any comments or any questions, leave a comment underneath. Thank you. Let me give you guys a quick update. After 7 days, the one here on my left arm is gone, and then I had 2 on this arm that we did. As you can see, you can still see the locations, but they are gone. It's a little, little snub stump there. So we'll see if that, with time, continues to also disappear. It wasn't painful. I was washing my armpits in the shower. I was being gentle when I, cleaned around it, and luckily I felt it, just fall off. Like I said, it wasn't painful. I only used 1 application on each of them. So 1 application on that one, and then another application on each of those. And so far, like I said, after 7 days, they're gone. So I'm pretty stoked about it. I'll give this, I guess a 8 out of 10. just because the only thing that I've kind of noticed that there is pus. Like it was a little, not pus, but like there was like an odor coming from those locations. So, you know, that was something that kind of was kind of nasty, you know. But when I showered, I just gently rubbed around it with my loofah. I didn't go crazy with it, and like I said, it just kind of just fell off. Pretty happy with the product. If you have any questions, comments, leave a like. See you guys.